Welcome back to the channel. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and tap that subscribe button as we dive into today's exciting video made especially for you and your finance journey. Making money online has become an increasingly popular avenue for individuals seeking financial independence and flexibility in their income streams. In this digital age, the possibilities for generating revenue on the internet are vast and diverse. From leveraging microtasks and gig economy platforms to monetizing social media presence and exploring niche affiliate marketing opportunities, there are unique strategies that can help individuals tap into online earning potential like never before. This video delves into 5 unconventional yet effective strategies for making money online that you may not have heard of before, offering insights and tips to help you maximize your online income generation efforts. Welcome to the wild west of the digital world, where making money online is not just a dream, but a viable reality for many savvy individuals. From side hustles to full-fledged online businesses, the opportunities are as vast as the internet itself. But before you dive in head first, let's take a closer look at the ever-evolving landscape of online income generation. Strategy 1. Leveraging microtasks and gig economy platforms. Forget about traditional 9-to-5 jobs. Welcome to the gig economy, where microtasks reign supreme. Platforms like Amazon and Fiverr offer a plethora of opportunities to earn money by completing small tasks for a fee. Whether you're a whiz at data entry or a master of graphic design, there's a gig waiting for you. Stay tuned for some tips on how to maximize your earnings in the world of microtasking. Strategy 2. Monetizing your social media presence. Love scrolling through Instagram and TikTok? Well, it's time to turn those likes into cash. Building a personal brand on social media can be not only fun, but also incredibly lucrative. From sponsored posts to affiliate marketing, there are countless ways to monetize your online presence. We'll explore strategies for turning your followers into dollars across various social media platforms. Strategy 3. Exploring niche affiliate marketing opportunities. Ditch the one-size-fits-all approach to affiliate marketing and dive deep into niche markets. By targeting specific audiences with tailored products or services, you can significantly boost your affiliate marketing earnings. We'll show you how to identify profitable niche markets and share tactics for running effective niche affiliate marketing campaigns that resonate with your target audience. Strategy 4. Capitalizing on virtual real estate and digital assets. Picture this. You can own property in the digital world too. Virtual real estate refers to buying, selling, and renting virtual spaces or assets online. This could be anything from websites, domain names, online businesses, or even in-game properties. Just like physical real estate, the value can appreciate over time, becoming a lucrative investment opportunity in the online sphere. Digital assets are like the Swiss Army knives of online wealth creation. From ebooks, stock photos, music, or even cryptocurrencies, these assets can be created once and then sold repeatedly for passive income. By leveraging digital assets, you can build a stream of income that keeps flowing while you sip your favorite drink on the beach. Who said money doesn't grow on trees? In the digital world, it does. Strategy 5. Harnessing the power of online courses and webinars. Do you have expertise in a particular field or possess a unique skill set? Share your wisdom with the world by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera allow you to monetize your knowledge by offering courses on anything from cooking to coding. Help people level up their skills while you level up your bank account. Win-win! Webinars are like the cool cousins of online seminars. Engage with your audience in real time, share valuable insights, and promote your products or services. Whether you're a budding influencer or a seasoned entrepreneur, webinars can be a powerful tool to connect with your audience and boost your revenue. Plus, you get to do it all in your pajamas. Talk about working from home perks. Congratulations, you've now unlocked the secret vault of unique online money-making strategies. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.